In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Sidekick AI to analyze a board in Monday. Calm. Start by opening Monday. Com in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on your workspace name. From there, open the board called Product Launch Tracker. This is the board we'll use to run a quick AI-powered analysis. Now move to the top right area of the board and click the colorful AI star icon. That opens the Sidekick chat panel on the right side of your screen. You should now see a chat interface with a few suggested actions and a text box at the bottom, where you can type your own prompts. Click into that text field and type, "Summarize this board and highlight any items that are stuck or overdue." Then press enter or click the send button. Give it a few seconds to process. Sidekick will scan the board and return a summary of the overall progress. Typically, this includes how many items are in each status, along with a call out for anything marked as stuck or anything that has passed its due date. This is a really fast way to understand the health of a board without manually reviewing each group or column. Next, stay in the same Sidekick chat and type, "How many items are there per priority level?" Press enter and wait for the response. Sidekick will break the board down by priority and show you how many items fall into each level, such as critical, high, medium, or low. This gives you a quick snapshot of where the biggest concentration of work is and where urgent attention may be needed. Then ask one more question. Type, "Which items are past their due date and what is their current status?" Press enter and wait again. Sidekick will return a list of the specific overdue items along with their current status. That makes it much easier to spot what needs follow-up right away and whether those items are still in progress, stuck, or sitting in another stage. At this point, you'll have three useful analysis responses in the Sidekick panel: a board summary, a priority breakdown, and an overdue item list. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The main idea here is that you're analyzing the board just by asking plain language questions. You don't need to manually scan every row, filter multiple views, or build a dashboard just to get a quick update. If you want to repeat this on another board later, the same process works the same way. Open the board, launch Sidekick, and ask clear, direct questions about the data you want to review.